Okay, good morning, all of you. So we have started solving and we have started looking at the concepts based on limits, logs and exponents. Yeah. So, and yesterday we were discussing about yesterday we have seen log curve. So I'll just recap a little bit about that. So we started looking at log curve. Suppose we have x and y axis. Good morning. Yes, we have seen a log graph. So we have log x base b is equals to y, and we have some concept that this base b will be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. We have seen the reason why b is not equals to 1 and always greater than 0, and we have seen that this x will also be greater than 0, right? And this y will be the value. So, and we have already we have concluded that the domain of log function of log will be real plus. That means all the real values with positive, so 0 to infinity. And the range of log x will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. That means it will take all the possible values. After that, we have seen we were comparing, basically we were using graphs. We are comparing to different log functions. So suppose log curves. So suppose we have something like this. So this is log base 2 x, and then if we have log x base 3, it will be something like this, right? And suppose if we have log base 10 x, it will be something like this. And then and then we have seen we were again same thing. We are very good in giving names. So we saw that when these base are greater than 1, when base are greater than 1, we were giving them name as a strong base. And then we saw that, okay, strong base and weak base have like the strong base and weak base will be having different set of properties, which we will see today. So we were defining the base will be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. So we will divide the whole baseline into two forms. First will be 0 to 1. So this will be known as weak base, right? And then we will have, when base is greater than 1, this will be known as strong base, right? We'll have strong base. So this will move on to infinity. So, and the base will be divided into this form. So see, suppose if I have to draw the graph of, because weak base and strong base, we will only be able to see when we are plotting them in graph. So we will differentiate them. We'll see the difference between them on the basis of the graph only. So suppose I'm taking log base 2x, and then I will be taking log base 1 by 2 of x. So I'm taking first 2, then 1 by 2. So log base 2x will be very simple. Log base 2x, we have seen yesterday only, the log base 2x will be something like this. Log base 2x will be something like this, right? Now see, this is equals to y. Now if I look at this part closely, if I look at this part closely, then what will we have? This 1 by 2, if we'll use the property, this y will be log base 1 by 2x. This we can write as log base 2 to the power minus 1x. This we can write minus log x base 2, right? So that means whatever function was taking value before positive will become now negative. That means negative of log x base 2. But this was what? This was log x base 2. Now I have to draw negative of log x base 2. So simply I will draw the reverse of this graph. So simply I will draw the reverse of this graph. So the graph will be something like this. So what is this? This is log x base 1 by 2. Simple as that. Just in opposite direction. Yeah. Mirror image about x-axis. So this is log x base 1 by 2. And this is log x base 2. This is by x-axis and this is by x-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Fine. So just copy this one. This weak base versus strong base we have learned in chemistry, sir. Yeah. Okay, Kanish. Strong base. Sir, log, somebody is asking, Kaushik is asking, sir, one is strong base or weak base? By what I have said, what I have said, base one will not exist. So there is no point of asking weak base or strong base, what is the value one? है ना? I have said that one base one will not be there. This will also intersect at 1, 0. So this is also intersecting at 1, 0. Right? This is also intersecting at 1, 0. Right? So for weak base also, for weak base also we can see first the domain. For weak base also the domain is what? Domain is from 0 to infinity. By domain is from 0 to infinity. What is the range? Range of weak base is also minus infinity to plus infinity. Just here it will be taking plus infinity, here it will be taking minus infinity, right? Yeah, both will have same intersection. Yes, both are intersecting. It will pass through cut in the weak base curve also. Log x base 1 by 2 also intersect x axis at x is equals to 1, right? Because even now log minus of log 1 base 2 will be 0, है ना? Even then, है ना? Understood? So just copy this one, write these properties also. Okay, write these properties also. Sir, can I know why you are giving much importance to drawing graph on logarithm? But I'm not giving importance to only log. I give importance for graphical approach to all the function, because if you are able to draw log graph, right, afterwards it will be easy for you to draw the graph of other functions also, है ना? Graphical approach is a very important approach. If you are able to see graphs of functions directly, you can solve. Complete calculus will be on your tips. Complete calculus will be on your tips. Calculus, I mean differentiation, integration, है ना? Complete calculus will be on your tips. Plus, if your graphs are good, if you are able to visualize the curves, vectors, coordinate geometry will be very easy for you, right? So that is why graph is very important, है ना? So I hope now I have answered your question, right? So if you are able to understand this part, then let's see. So now I want you to draw on the same graph. I want you to draw the graph of log base 1 by 2 x and log base 1 by 3 x and log base 1 by 10 x, है ना? I want you to graph. Okay, draw the graph of these on the same x and y axis. Draw the graph of these three and tell me Vignesh done. Everybody has copied this one. Sir Bala here, a kind reminder to you. You told me you will do the 7th question today from the. Not 7th question quadratic. Bala, not today, bache. I said when we will do quadratic once again after log, then we will solve those questions. Don't worry, है ना? And that is a cubic equation, Bala. You have to solve cubic equation by hit and trial only, है ना? So whatever you have done is correct. Okay, not today, Bala, है ना? Okay. Fine. So this one, first what I will do, I know log x 1 by 2 will be something like this. We have seen before. We have seen before that log x base 1 by 2 will be something like this. है ना? We have seen before. Now tell me which one will be log x base 1 by 3. Base 1 by 3 will be something like this. Or, yes, correct. Or something like this. So this is 1. This is 2. Which one will be log x base 1 by 3? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? By bacha, some of you are saying 2, some of you are saying 1. Please just check it once. This is log base 1 by 2 x. So suppose if it was log base 2 and log base 3, if log base 3 would be below or above, here log base 3 will be below or above, it will be below, right? So here also it will be below. So that means what will be my log base 1 by 3 will be something like this, will be under. Yes, yes, fine. So this is your what? This is your log base 1 by 2, log base 1 by 2. This is what? Your log base 1 by 3, correct? Now tell me, where will log base 1 by 10 be lying? Here 1, 2 or 3, 1, 2 or 3. Where log base 1 by 10 is lying? 1, 2 or 3, 1. Very good. So it will lie at 1. Very good. So this will be your log base. Very good, bacho. Very good. So this is your simply log base 1 by 10. By everybody understood this part? Everybody understood? See, again, all of them are passing through which point? 1, comma 0. Because log base 1 by 10 will be again 0. Hai na? Okay. So this was the graphical approach of seeing log function. So I hope now log is okay for everyone. है ना? Log function and log curve is okay for everyone. If we have strong base, remember the concept of strong base and weak base. Okay. So very small question. Very small question. I'm talking about strong base. Strong base. Log x base b is equals to y. For strong base, y will be less than 0 for what values of x? Y will be less than 0 for what value of x? For what value of x? Y will be less than 0. For what domain of x y will be less than 0? Tell me. For what values of x y will be less than 0? 0 to 1. Somebody saying x belongs to 0 to 1. Sir, I still cannot understand how draw the graph of log function. Dev Darshan, sir, I cannot form only log graph, but I understood the property. See, if you are not able to understand, I gave you homework yesterday. Sir, I have doubt. Okay. X. So first thing is that I'm saying y less than 0. So this, what will be the domain of x for x y greater than 0? For y greater than 0 or equal to y greater than y greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Yes. What is the domain for x for y greater than equal to 0? X is 0 to 1, it will be negative. For what values of x y will be greater than or equal to 0? Are Rajesh, 1 to 0 or 1 to infinity? I'm saying that y was less than 0 for x less 0 to 1. Y will be greater than equal to 0 for x belonging to 1 to infinity. Very good. This is for strong base. This is for strong base, right? Let's see for weak base. For weak base, suppose log of x base b is equals to y. है ना? For weak base, y will be less than 0 for which values? Y will be less than 0 for which values of x? So x belongs to, y is less than 0 for which values of x? Y is less than 0 for which values of x? 1 to infinity. Very good. Y is greater than equal to 0 for which values of x? Y is greater than equal to 0 for which values of x? Y is greater than equal to 0 for which values of x? 0 to x belongs to 0 to 1. 1 open bracket or close bracket? 1 open bracket or close bracket? 1 open bracket or close bracket? Close bracket. क्योंकि greater than and equal to, है ना? Greater than and equal to. Because of this equal to, it will be close bracket. Okay, so just copy this one also. Sir, I put log base 1 by 2 x and x is equals to y in Desmos. It comes like on side down parabola. What? नहीं बच्चे, parabola is different. These are not. Sir, I cannot understand weak base. How to find this, sir? Aswati, what was your question? Okay, so first you check this. I'll see the questions. What you guys are asking. I don't know from where you guys get these wonderful questions. Sir, I cannot understand weak base. Bache, the weak base I told you yesterday to draw the graph. How will you understand how to find this, sir? How to find this? How to find this? Aswati, what was your question? Santru, what you are not able to understand? Why? Simply, I've said that. Simply, what I've said is that log weak base is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, some bits less than. So you can just convert it into strong base by taking the power outside. So weak base and strong base, what is the difference? So this is log x base 1 by 2. Why this is weak base? This is weak base, right? How will I convert this into a strong base? Simply, I will write this as log base x 1 by 2 as log base x 2 to the power minus 1. And we know the property of log, this will become minus 1 log x base 2. This is a strong base. You know the graph of strong base, right? So this strong base, you can just write, make the graph of strong base with a negative sign. So the whole graph will get flipped with x-axis, right? Understood? Okay, sir. Log graph looks like arc made by compass. Yeah, it is like an arc, but do not think about it as an arc. Log 1 base 10 is equals to 0. Yes, log 1 base 10 is equals to 0. Yes, sir. I cannot understand this, sir. Which part, Lokesh, which parts? I cannot understand how to find x belongs to what. Acha, how to find x belongs to what? Array, it is very simple. See, using graphs. See, using graph. अरे बच्चे बहुत simple है ना. See, okay, I will draw the graph once again. By see, this part, if you have to see, draw any strong base, but I am saying strong base. So draw any strong base curve. So this is a strong base curve, right? This point is 1 comma 0. Where is y negative? Y is negative for this part. Y is negative for this part. For which values of x? When x belongs to 0 to 1. That is what I have said, written. है ना? Understood? Now did you understood? Sir, please take example. है ना? Now see, where is y positive? For this part. By y positive of this part. For which values of x? When x is greater than or equal to 1. Understood? Now you are now you are able to understand now. Yeah, very good, very good. Now see, now what we will do, we will draw the weak base. By we will draw for weak base. We will draw for weak base. So suppose this is a weak base. Okay. Now let's see. Wait, where is y positive? Where is y positive? Y positive here. Aswati, y is positive here for which values of x? For x belongs to 0 to 1. For x belongs to 0 to 1. Understood? And where y is negative? Now y is negative for this part, right? For which values of x? X belonging to. Understood now? Now I hope this is okay. Sir, y is greater than or equal to 0 when 1 is on close bracket side, or sir, correct me. Yeah, that is correct. Greater than equal to 0. That is what I have written. Na? Greater than equal to 0. So 1 should be in close. By 0 will never be in close, because 0, you cannot take x as 0. X should be greater than 0, Bala. Hai na? Understood? I hope everybody understood now. In strong, hai na? Ha, strong base. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is closed. This is closed. Yeah, this is closed. Very good, Bala. Yeah, this is closed. 1 to 0 because I have included 0. Yes, very good. Hai na? Okay. Sir, for strong base also do not have value 1 with. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 1 base. This is closed. Yeah, very good. Hai na? Now I hope everybody is understood. I hope everybody understood this part. Yeah, every weak base can be converted to strong base. Yes, every weak base can be converted to strong base. Yes, obviously. Take any weak base. Suppose you're writing 0.02. 0.02. I can write 0.02 as 0.02. If I'll take the fraction out, so this will become 2 by 1 by 50. So this is 1 by 50. So I can write 50 to the power minus 1. Right? So now minus 1 will come outside. Log x base 50 will become. So it can be converted to a strong base. I hope now this is clear. Who asked the question? Divya? Yes. Divya, did you understood now what I'm saying? Divya, yes, sir. Very good. Okay. Divya, did you understood? Kanish understood. Divya, did you understood? Yes. Divya, right? Yes, if you have understood. Otherwise, I will move forward. Right? Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now see, inequality is using logarithmic functions. Right? So one inequality I have already used. One inequality. The way this is inequality also, inequality only. Y is less than 0. Right? So now I will ask you very simple questions, very simple questions. So the first question is, let's see, you have to find x, you have to find the values of x. Log of 1 plus x base 2 is equals to y. Find the domain of this function. Find the domain of y. Find the domain of y. Tell me what is the domain. Take your time and tell me. Tell me what is the domain of this function. Tell me what is the domain of this function. Arey, what happened? Nobody's answering. What is the domain of this function? What happened? What is the domain of this function? Tell me. अरे विदूषण आर नहीं बच्चा अच्छा sir you said to take time are the infinite time you will 1 to infinity what is the domain no domain I am asking domain Kaushik Basu what are you sending I'm not able to see uh, sir 1 by 2 into x is equals to what is this Kaushik what are you sending okay see all okay 2 to the power n minus 1 array domain means what is a domain by what is the domain of I that means the values of x the values of x which it can take right this part should be greater than 0 this part should be greater than 0 so that means 1 plus x should be greater than 0 1 plus x should be greater than 0 that means x should be greater than minus 1 gadho x should be greater than minus 1 domain is x should be greater than minus 1 so that means the domain becomes minus 1 to infinity yes or no just check it once again domain will become minus 1 to infinity yes or no hai na okay everybody understood yes very good again simple question tell me what is the domain x square minus 1 now tell me what is the domain base 2 is equals to y tell me what is the domain now tell me what is the domain or wait write down now tell me what is the domain now what is the domain 2x minus 1 what is the domain of this function sir how to find whether we should open or close but say open means it will that value will not be included by minus 1 if I'll substitute I will take minus 1 this will become log 0 base 2 this is not possible so that is why I will not include 1 minus 1 hai na? That is how you know just check the value yes so for this one also domain will be 2x minus 1 should be greater than 0 that means 2x should be greater than 1 x should be greater than 1 by 2 so the domain becomes 1 by 2 to infinity how will I know that included or excluded because here it is greater than if it were greater than equal to then I would have taken this bracket understood yes yes understood fine very good this okay this is okay for everyone okay so acha for the first this question what is the domain what is the range what is the range what is the range of this one what is the range of this y what is the range of this y what is the range bacha sir how do you find it is greater than or less than 0 array gadhe ashwin what I have said that this array this x should this by this x should always be greater than 0 na this x should always be greater than 0 this was the condition on this was the condition on x now instead of x I have 1 plus x so this should be greater than 0 by this should be greater than 0 है ना what is the range tell me what will be the range no not 0 to infinity not 0 to infinity what is the range range will still be real still it will take all the values yes Sherwin very good yes Vetrival very good by range is still real range is minus infinity to plus infinity very good by for this one for second one this one what is the range what is the range what is the range second one what is the range range is again real range belongs to real all the values it will take all the values it will take by y x will take all the values so y will also take all the values x is taking from which value to which value minus 1 to 0 by x is taking from which value to which value minus 1 to 0 so y will also take all the values hai na by x is taking this part is taking all the values from 0 to infinity so y will also take all the values there is no restriction on x hai na there is no restriction okay yeah sir how will y take negative values okay see log of 1 plus x I said 1 plus x na log of 1 plus x base 2 is equals to y hai na so I'm saying that x is taking values from so x is taking values from minus 1 to infinity है ना, x is taking values from -1 to infinity. Take value of x as -1/2. When x is -1/2, what you will get? Log of 1 minus 1/2 base 2 is equals to y. So this will become log 1/2 base 2 is equals to y. That means 1/2 is equals to 2 to the power y. So what is the value of y? Y will be -1. So hence it has taken the value of minus. Understood? Sir, if x is equals to minus 0.5, that is what I've taken. If x is equals to minus 0.5, you will have y is equals to -1. Yes. Understood? Is everybody understood? Sir, you missed my chat. I told answer. It is wrong or right? But I do not know. There are so many students typing, so it's not my mistake if I missed one or two of the answers, but you can write again. Sir, please answer my question. Write it once again. Write your question once again. Understood? Everybody is able to understand this? Okay. Now, next. So basically we got some idea that what will happen. Hai na? Now let's see. So suppose if I'm writing, find the domain of this. Y is equals to, question is find the domain of this function. Phi is equals to log 2 base x. Find the domain of this now. Find the domain of this part now. Santru, you can write it. You can write it. You can write. Yes, same thing. Real or minus infinity to plus infinity, same thing. Kaushik R. No. Domain, I'm saying domain. I'm saying find the domain. Domain of this. 0 to infinity. No. Vidushan, very good. Vidushan, very good. Ashwin, no. 0 to infinity. No. I'm saying now because there is an under root. There is an under root. Array domain of not this one. This one. -1 by 2 to infinity. 1 to infinity. Anjay, very good. See, this now, because this is an under root. This part should log of x base 2 should be greater than 0. Log of x base 2 should be greater than 0. For what values of x this will be greater than 0? X should be greater than or equals to, this should be greater than or equal to 0. For what values of x this is greater than or equal to 0? For x greater than or equal to 1. So for x greater than or equal to 1, this will be greater than or equal to 0. I hope everybody is okay with this one. I hope everybody is okay with this one. Yes, everybody understood? Yes, everybody understood this one? Very good. Okay, now let's see. So now y is equals to under the root of log x base 1 by 2. Now tell me what is the domain of this one? Now tell me what is the domain of this one? Very good, Vithushan, very good. How 1 by 2 is coming, I do not understand. How 2 to infinity is coming, I do not understand. Wow, what is 1 by 2? What? See, this is a weak base. So this is log x base 1 by 2. This should be greater than 0. This is greater than 0, right? Yes. Or greater than or equal to. This should be greater than or equal to 0, right? Now see, for what, if I'll try to draw this curve, this will be something like this. For what values of x it is greater than 0? For these x, that means 0 to 1. That means 0 is not included. So that means x belongs to 0 to 1. For these values of x, it is, what? It is greater than or equal to 0. है ना? -1 to minus infinity. बच्चे -1 तो you cannot even substitute. Wins here -1 cannot even come. Log of -1 is not defined. X should be greater than 0. That is for sure. X should be greater than 0. Understood? Everybody is okay with this now? But everybody is okay with this? Yes, very good. Now let's see. Now solve this one. Solve this question. Okay. Take your time. I will give you 3 to 4 minutes. Solve this one. Okay. Do not simply just write. Solve it. I'll give you 5 minutes. Solve this and tell me the answer. Please do not start writing the answers. Please solve it and then just wait. Yeah. Acha, wait. Before this, try to solve this one. I'll give a simpler question. Log 0.2, log 0.2, x plus 2 is less than equals to 1. Solve this one. Solve this one. Same time, solve first this one. First you solve this one. Log base 0.2, x plus 2 is less than 1. Solve this one first. Let's see if you can solve it or not. You still have too much time. Tell me the answer for this one. 0 to 1. Okay. Okay. 0 to 1. No. Minus 0.820. Okay. Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1. No. Solve it, bacha. Do not that is good. Siddharth, very good. That is correct. Minus 0.82. 1.2. No. Maybe. But something like that. You will get answer something like that. Take your time. Take your time. And then solve. Take your time and then solve. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. Just take your time and then solve. I'm saying the domain, bache. I'm saying domain. Find the domain. There is no one in the class who can actually find the domain of this one. Is there no one in the class who can find the domain? Minus 1.8 to infinity, sir. Okay, many of you are writing. Okay, let's see. Yeah, minus 1. Yeah. Yes. So Sudarshan, that is correct. Yes, Vidushan, very good. Yeah, that is correct. Very good. Okay. So only one or two or three of them are writing minus 9 by 5 to infinity. Okay. 518. Yeah. Yes. Minus 1.8 to infinity. Yes. Very good. Many of you are writing. Very good. Very good. Yeah. That is correct. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. So many of you are giving answers. So I'm solving. So see, if I'll draw the curve. So what is happening? So first is I can write this thing as by this thing 0.2 is there. By 0.2 is there. I can so this is a weak base. This is a weak base, right? This is a weak base situation. So what we can do first, I will try to see what is the graph actually approximate graph which this will look like. By what is the approximate graph this will look like. I'm saying approximate, and I'm not drawing accurate. So this will be looking like something like this because this is a weak base. This will look something like this. First part is that 0.2. So this is less than or equals to 1. Here it will get equals 1. Here the value of y will be, suppose y is equals to 1, and then all values it can take, right? It can take, right? So that means from here x can take from this, x can take from here to all values, right? So that means x can take here to all values, right? So I just have to find, I know x will, now I know what will be the value. X will belongs to some number close to infinity, because x, as x tends infinity, this will become minus, which is less than 1, right? That is okay. I just have to find where log base 0.2 x plus 2 is equals to 1. So I just will find where is this value is equals to 1. So log x plus 2 base 0.2 is equals to 1. So x plus 2 is equals to 0.2 to the power 1. So x plus 2 is equals to 0.2. So that means x is equals to minus 1.8. I will take 2 here. So this will become minus 1.8. That means this point is x is equals to minus 1.8, right? What is this point becomes? Where this will become 0? This will become 0 at minus 1, right? And then this is plus infinity. So that means x will belongs to minus 1.8 to infinity. Okay. Just check the solution and tell me if you understood this or not. check this point and tell me. Yes, Ashwin, I'm not saying you're wrong. Who said you're wrong? Okay. Everybody able to understand? Should I give one more question, something like this? Should I give one more question, how to find the range? Range is, again, range is minus infinity to plus infinity. But range is here, range is restricted. But range is restricted here. Range, they are saying it is only less than equals to 1. Yes? Okay. So what they are saying is, yeah, very good. So what they are saying is that by we know the graph is something like this. We know the graph is something like this. They are saying that y value, this whole value should be less than equals to 1. Less than or equals to 1. That means I know that graph will be taking this part. This part. It will be only from here till here. Here till here. Right? Here till here it will be less than 1. That means for this value of x. That means from some value to infinity. That means from some value to infinity. If I know there's some value to infinity, I will try to find out what this sum value is. This sum value I can find where this is equals to 1. I will find where this is equals to 1 using this concept. Using this concept. So this is x I'm getting as 1 point minus 1.8. So answer will be minus 1.8 to infinity. Understood? Sir, we can solve previous sum. Okay. I hope this one is, I hope everybody is able to understand. Sir, we can do this as x plus, है ना? Okay. Okay. Let's take one more sum, something similar to this. Find the range, find the domain for log x base 2 greater than equals to 5. Find the domain of this. Find the domain of this. Find the domain question. Okay. Where log x base 2 is greater than equals to 5. Okay. So tell me. Very good, Jepit. Very good. Very good. Excellent. 32 to infinity. Very good. Very good. 30 to infinity. Very simple question. है ना? By we know this is a what kind of a graph? This is strong base. So the strong base curve will look something like this. By strong base looks something like this. Right? So strong base looks something like this. We know that y is equals to 32. Y is equals to 32 will be something somewhere point here. Right? So that means every value after this will be greater than. So that means I just have to find the solution will be x belongs to something to infinity. So I will just find this value, right? This value will be equals to 5. So log x base 5 equals to 2. Log x base 2. Log x base 2 equals to 5. Log x base 2 is equals to 5. So that means x is equals to 2 to the power 5. That means simply 2 to the power 5 or 32 you can write. But I hope this one is okay for everyone. 32 included, 2 to the power 5 to infinity. Right? Yes, everybody is able to understand. Just check this one once again. Everybody is able to understand? Yes, very good. Now let's see if we can solve this one. Log base 0.2 x plus 2 by x should be less than equals to 1. I am not, Anjay, what part you are not able to understand, bache? Arey, yaar, what idiot. This is just, I'm saying this is, who said this is y-axis? Did I 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 said, Aswati, did I said this is y-axis? Then why you are assuming? This is not y-axis. This is just, I'm saying that, okay, y-axis will be, so I can draw any line. I can draw any line, right? Okay, so now this will be y-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your y-axis. This is the point x is equal to 0. Okay, I have never said this is y-axis. I'm saying as a perpendicular line. This, let's take this as y is equals to 1. Understood? This is just for explaining. This is just for explaining what I'm drawing a line. It's okay. It's okay. I understood your question, what you're trying to say. And that is what I said. This is an approximation. This is an approximation. Okay, now try to solve this one. This is little different. This is little different and little difficult, but I want you to try. Okay, 0.5 to infinity. Many of you are writing 0.5. Okay, try it once. Try it once. You still have time. You still have time. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Try it once, but give me a perfect answer. Don't, है ना? Okay, minus 2.5 to infinity. Okay. Yes, Vidushan, I think your answer seems correct. Vidushan, your answer seems correct. Your answer seems correct. I think it is correct. Vidushan, very good. Just, acha, all those who are saying minus 2.5, all those who are saying minus 2.5 to infinity, by in your answer, if the answer is minus 2.5 to infinity, in your answer you will also have 0. In your answer you will have 0, right? You will have 0 will come inside this. Can you take x as 0? If you'll take x as 0, this will be 2 by 0. Is it defined in maths? No, I've never said this is defined in maths. That means something is wrong. Somewhere you are making mistake. That means this cannot be the correct answer. Now, that means there is something wrong in this. In this 0 cannot come. Think about it. Think about it. Minus infinity to minus 2.5. Okay. Minus infinity to minus 2.5. Okay. 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 Fine. Fine. Okay. 2.5 to infinity. Okay. Okay. Let's see any other. Still have 30 seconds to check your answer. You still have 30 seconds. You have 27 seconds. You have 25 seconds to check your answer. You can still check. There is still time. There is still time, bacho. Okay, 2.5. 0.5 minus 2.50. Okay. Vikashini. Okay, fine. Maybe if, yeah, maybe 1 to infinity. Okay, Ashwin. 5 seconds. 4. Okay, let's see. So first thing is that this is a weak base. This is a weak base graph, है ना? So forget about what is written here. Forget about what is written here. Approximate graph I'm drawing. Approximate graph I'm drawing. So the graph will look something like this. This is a weak base graph. So graph will look something like this. They are saying this is less than equals to 1. So that means you will have some value here which will give you 1. है ना? So x is, so first I will check what is, so that means 1 is, this should be less than equals to 1. That means graph will, so if I'll take this, so graph will take all these values, right? So that means whatever is inside, first I will check for which value of this it will be equals to 1. So that means x log of 0.2 x plus sorry, log of 0.2, suppose we have x here, I will represent this as capital X, is equals to 1. So that means capital X should be equals to 0.2, right? And what is the value of capital X? What is the value of capital X? Capital X is x plus 2 by x is equals to 0.2, right? So now I will just check what is the value of x. So this will be, if I'll separate this, so this will be 1 plus 2 by capital X is equals to 0.2. I will take this 0.1 this side. So this is 2 by capital X is equals to 0.2 minus 1. This is 0.8. So 2 by capital X is equals to 0.8. So this will become 2 divided by 0.8 is equals to capital, sorry, this is minus 0.8, 2 divided by minus. So this will become 20. So capital X will become, this will become 4, 5 by 2. This will become minus 2.5 is equals to capital X. First thing we got is that capital X is, that means, sorry, this is, sorry, small x. This is first thing we got is small x, this part. This is small x. This is equals to small x. So small x we got as minus 2.5, right? See, now, so we can write this whole thing, we can write this thing as log 0.2 x by x plus 2 by x is less than equals to 1. Or I can write this as equals to y. First, I will write it equals to y. Just for simplification, I am writing equals to y. So this thing I can write as log 0.2 1 plus 2 by x is equals to y. First thing I got is that x is equals to minus 2.5. For minus 2.5, this y will become 1. So minus 2.5 will 100% come. Minus 2.5 will 100% come. If minus 2.5 is there, then I will get equals to 1. First thing. First thing. Now see, what I will do, now I will check that, okay, minus 2.5 and this is 1 plus 2 by x, right? So from minus 2.5, this will move to infinity. From minus 2.5, this will move to infinity. So I will check the values of x. I will check the values of x. So 1 plus 2 by x should be less than infinity and greater than equals to minus 2.5, right? So sorry. This part, this part should be greater than this part should be greater than 0.2, 0.2 and less than infinity. First thing, है ना? Yeah. 0.2 to infinity, that is why it will get this. So first when we checked for x, we were getting, x is equals to minus 2.5, right? Now see, as x moves to from minus 2.5 to as x moves from minus 2.5 to minus side, so I will write it once again. So we got x is equals to minus 2.5, है ना? And we have 1 plus x by, 1 plus 2 by x, right? Now see, so minus 2.5, minus 2.5, right? I will draw this kind of a number line. I will draw this in the kind of a number line. Okay. Now see, if I will move in this direction, if I will move in this direction, this 2 by x will keep on getting lower and lower. This 2 by x will keep on getting lower and lower, right? So suppose if you are taking minus 5, this will become 1 plus 2 by minus 5. So this will become 1 plus 0.4, right? If you take minus 10, so this will become 1 plus, minus 4, 1 minus 0.4. This will become 2 by minus 10. So this will become 1 minus 0.2, right? So that means these all values for y is equals to, so for all these values, what you will get total value inside. So log of 1 plus 2 by x, log of 1 plus 2 by x. So if you substitute x as minus 10, minus infinity or minus all that, so this will become log of 1 almost as x decreases, as x decreases, this will tend try to become more and more closer to 1. And log 1 is what? Log 1 is approximately 0.2, base 0.2. Log 1 is what? Approximately 0. Log 1 will be approximately 0. And will it satisfy? Yes, it will satisfy. So that means first thing is, as we move closer and closer to minus infinity, it will satisfy. But as we move closer and closer to minus infinity, it will satisfy. The first thing is that x can take all values from minus infinity to minus 2.5. Minus infinity to minus 2.5, first thing. By this part everybody is able to understand, or should I explain once again? This part everybody is able to understand, or should I explain once again? By this part everybody is able to understand that what I'm doing, I'm taking lesser and lesser values. For lesser and lesser values, I'm able to get the answer. I'm able to get the answer. See what is happening. By 2.5 I got. For 2.5 it is exactly equals to 1. What I know, I can move from 2.5, I can move on the left side, or 2.5 I can move on the right side. So 2.5, so for 2. This is the number line. I got a value x is equals to 2.5. So either I can move in this direction or I can move in this direction. So first what I will do, I will move in the left side. Sorry, this is minus 2.5. So what I will do, I will move in the left side. So what I'm doing, I'm taking values of x lesser and lesser and lesser. Okay. So as I'm taking values of x lesser and lesser. Okay. One more time. I will check the values. Okay. I will check the values. So let's see. So what is happening? This should be log of 0.2, 1 plus 2 by x. Let's take 0. Minus of 5. Let's take minus of 5. Minus 5. So I will substitute log of 0.2 into 1 plus x by minus 2 by minus 5. 2 by minus 5. 2 by minus 5. We'll check if it is satisfying or not. If it is satisfying or not. I will check it again. I think okay, let's see. So this is log of 0.2, 1 minus 0.4. So this is log of 0.2 into 1 minus 0.4 is what? 1 minus 0.4 will be 0.6, right? And because this is a weak base, this will be greater than 1. This will be greater than equals to 1. Yes, but this is 100%. This is greater than equals to 1. By this part everybody understood? That means all the values of x I'm taking lesser and lesser. This log of base 2 of something is getting more than greater and greater and greater than equals to 1. Understood? So for left side, I'm able to get. So that means first thing I've established that x 100% x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2.5. But this part is okay now. I hope you are able to understand this part. Yes or no? Yes, because this is a weak pace, so the weak it will be like this. So as we move closer and closer and closer to 1, this side everything is, this side everything is positive, greater than 1. Okay, very good. Now let's see, let's move on the right side. So 1 point we will have 0. So now let's move from 2.5 to 0. Now let's move from 2.5 to 0. As we move closer and closer and closer to 0, as we move closer and closer and closer to 0, see, as you move closer to 0, this point, this part, so see, this part, so next thing, again, same thing I will draw. So first I have established from minus 2.5 and now I will check for 0. So this is log 1 plus x by, 2 by x, x by 2 by x, 0.2, right? So what I will do, I will now take 1 point minus 1. I will now take 1 point minus 1 and I will check whether it is satisfying or not, whether it will satisfy or not. So if I'll check, so this is log of 0.2, 1 plus 2 by minus 1. So this will become log of 0.2 minus 1. Oh, sorry, 1 minus 2. This will become log of 1 minus 2, right? Tell me, minus 1. So tell me, will this ever satisfy? Can this x take any value between minus 2.5? No. Why is that? Why is that? Because now this will become negative. Why? Because now it will become negative. Yes, now it will become negative, right? Till which point it will become negative? Till which point it will become negative? See, one thing which we forgot, that see, x, this x plus 2 by x. First thing is that x plus 2 by x. Okay, see, okay, wait. See, what we can do is, first thing what we can do is, see, log base 0.2 x plus 2 by x. First thing, this part should be greater than equal to 0, yes or no? Oh, sorry, this part should be greater than 0, yes or no? First thing, Ashwin Murugan, this part should be greater than 0, yes or no? First thing, this part should be greater than 0. So what I will do, I will first find the values of x for this is greater than 0. First thing, I will find the values of x for this one is greater than 0. So what I will do, two different, so this is x is equals to minus 2, x is equal to 0. So this will be greater than 0, for this is greater than 0. That means this is plus, and negative. So that means minus infinity to minus 2 and to 0 to infinity. This one is greater than 0. By this part, everybody understood, yes or no? This part everybody understood, yes or no? Yes, okay. So first thing what we have established is that we have removed some part of x for which it will not be satisfied. Other thing is that we have checked that minus infinity to minus 2.5, minus infinity to minus 2.5, it is satisfying using using the previous one. This one I have already solved, minus infinity to minus 2.5. Yes, till here everybody is able to understand? These two part is everybody able to understand? These two part everybody able to understand? Yes. Now which part is left? Minus 2.5 to 2, minus 2.5 to 2 and 0 to infinity. Minus 2.5 to 2 and 0 to infinity. This part we have to check now because this part is left out. Okay. So what we can do, this question again we can solve tomorrow because time is almost up. I do not want to overburden you guys. So this question we can again check tomorrow. Is it okay if we'll check this question again tomorrow? Yes, I want you to just check till here. I just want you to check till here this part and till minus 2.5. Okay, fine. Now I will share the slide. Yeah, I will share the PDF. Don't worry. Just wait for a second. है ना? And there are some questions in the PDF which I will share. There are some questions here which you can try at home. है ना? There are some questions here which you can try at home. Okay, just wait, I will share the PDF now. Yeah, I will start this question again. I will discuss tomorrow. है ना? I just want you to try it once again. Okay, I've shared. Just download it, please. Okay, I will share the yesterday's. Okay.